Hi everyone, how are you? I hope my all friends and family members very well. Today I'm going to teach Korean alphabets, consonants, lesson number 11. Lesson number 11 means 11 number consonants in Korean language alphabets. So how to speak and how to write and how to understanding. Kiok. First word in consonants, giok. The sound of G. Like this giok. We also last time study first lesson giok, but this is kiok, the sound of k. It's too simple. Okay guys, like left to right, up to down, and again left to right. Okay, I teach you. If we just want to be simple, it's mean giok, like sound of G. Okay, but if we giok and if we like this, it's mean Kiok, the sound of K. It's too simple. Okay guys, उर्दू में काफ की आवाज है खियोक, खियोक, like खियोक. Okay guys, sorry. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Malik Ali Korea, lesson number 11 also. The sound of K, consonants. Okay guys, 11 number consonants. The sound of K. The sound of, in English, K. Kiok. Kiok. Okay guys, kiok. The sound of K. How to speak? Kiok. Okay guys, thank you. Please subscribe my channel YouTube Malik Ali Korea.